Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on computing body mass index. Body mass index is a measure of health based on weight. It can be calculated by taking your weight in kilograms and dividing it by the square of your height in meters. The interpretation of BMI for people 16 years and older is as follows. If BMI is less than 18.5, it's underweight. If BMI is less than 25 but greater than or equal to 18.5, that is normal. We will prompt the user to enter a weight in pounds and a height in inches. Then the program will convert the weight to kilograms and the height to meters and perform the computation to find the BMI and display the result with the interpretation. So here is the program. So we're going to have this prompt the user to enter weight in pounds, prompt the user to enter height in inches. So those are two constants, kilograms per pound, meters per inch. So now we're going to convert the weight to weight in kilograms and height to height in meters. So apply this BMI formula and weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters. So now we're going to see what is this BMI. If it's less than 18.5, it is underweight. Else if it's now less than 25, it's normal, and so on. So this is the program, and here, this is the live example is L if BMI is less than 25. So let's see, that's 25. That is all for this video on computing body mass index. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.